COVID-19, or also known as the coronavirus. What's going on, guys? Yash here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is safe out there. I hope everyone is also absolutely having a great day. Thank you so much for tuning in. Before we move on, please do drop a like on this video. I was also going through my YouTube analytics a few days ago, and I noticed that more than 50% of you guys are watching aren't subscribed to my channel. So please do hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notification bells so you guys are a part of the family. So guys, I want to make this a very quick yet raw video about kind of what's going on in the world right now and kind of what it means for us Shopify dropshippers, and also how this situation doesn't necessarily mean that, it can be a halt to your online Shopify business as well. So I'm pretty sure most of you guys know, we're currently experiencing a pandemic that we have never experienced in multiple decades. And obviously it's affected us all over the world, right? People are getting laid off, people are getting less and less hours to work. It's basically happening so fast that people are in a state of panic. Okay, yes, people are in a state of panic. The other day I just literally went to Walmart, Costco, and ShopRite here in New York City, and there's no paper towels. People are buying all hand soaps, toilet tissues. Literally everything is going off the shelves. Again, like I said, it is because people are in a state of panic. We don't know what's going to happen in the coming few weeks, in the coming few months. So people are trying to stock up as much as possible. This also means that people are spending a lot of times in their homes now. Okay, those of individuals who aren't even getting laid off, are working remotely now, and a lot of places are there's curfews right here in New York City. Any business can't be really operated between 8 p.m. and 5 a.m. A lot of people aren't really on the roads as much anymore as well, right? So people are going to be spending more times at home, and at the same time, people are definitely trying to save up money as well, okay? Because people aren't getting their normal paychecks because of the impact that it has on the job market currently. So what does it mean for us dropshippers, right? I know a lot of people have this misconception as, this may be the death of Shopify dropshipping to some extent, but not really, okay? So first and foremost, if you are still gonna be, selling products online, you definitely wanna find a supplier. Now, you can find a Chinese supplier, and a lot of people also think, just a quick note, that, the virus is contained through the packages overseas. It is not, okay? The virus is not attached to the packages at all. But again, if you are using a Chinese supplier, really make sure and do your due diligence. If you're even, having an AliExpress supplier, really do your due diligence that they're able to send your packet out on time without, any fail to do so. Some other resources that you can definitely allocate to or look forward to are CJ Dropshipping and Udroppy. I will, definitely drop those two links in the description below, okay? So again, you want to make sure you're doing your research, you're doing your due diligence, before you're going forward and, selling products online, okay? Because at the end of the day, you don't want these products to reach your customers in weeks or months of time. You want to have at least, a week or two shipping times, okay? If even shorter, that would be great. So that's the first thing that you guys would definitely want to do so. Now, because of the state of panic, because there's not as much jobs, people aren't getting paid, people are worried about, again, like I said, spending money and getting the last toilet paper off the shelf on Walmart. They're not worried about, these passion products and just buying something that they may not even use on a day-to-day or weekly basis, okay? So if you guys are selling products, you want to kind of target that market of people that will use these products on a day-to-day or weekly basis, or they can, okay? Or could they, even better, they kind of need to use these products on a day-to-day or weekly basis. So I'm going to give you guys some industries or some niches that you guys can definitely target towards to kind of, keep that ball rolling, okay? Now, since more and more people are going to be staying home, one niche I definitely seen growing is in the coming few weeks or months is the fitness and health niche, okay? Even with gyms shutting down and stuff like that due to sanitary reasons, people are going to be start to, working out home more and more often now. People want to, stay in shape, especially, those gym enthusiasts. So Definitely, I think fitness and health related products will be in demand, over the coming few weeks. People want to keep themselves busy and occupied and in shape. Okay, so that is one niche. The second niche is the kids niche. A lot of schools are closing down. People's kids are going to be home. They want to keep their kids occupied and not bored. Okay, so games or stuff that will keep your kids entertainment, maybe family games. You kind of want to target and look after those kind of products as well that people can use, or play a game, after dinner or on a week-to-week basis or even on a daily basis like that. Okay, so stuff or games or forms of entertainment products that, kids can use, families can use together as well. And thirdly, I would say the kitchenware niche and also kind of the sanitation survival niche, such as, keeping your food fresh or something that has to do with water filtration systems, or, again, more and more people will be home. That will cause more and more people to cook home and also eat out less as well because, they don't trust the outside sanitation. So maybe some kitchenware products would also be somewhat of use right now. Okay, so those three niches would definitely still sell right now as long as you market it the right way to the right audience. Okay, so I will leave my product research and validation link right there on basically how I go and find, these winning and profitable and scalable products over time. So again, the health and fitness niche, the entertainment niche, and then also the kitchenware and survival / sanitation niche as well. I think they all have potential. Like I said in the beginning, you just have to make sure that you have a proper supplier, whether it's off AliExpress or whether it's, resources such as CJ Dropshipping or Udroppy. I will leave those links in the description as well. Also, one more thing, guys, study human nature, study market psychology or just customer psychology in general. At the end of the day, you're a marketer, you're marketing, you're advertising, you're in sales. So understanding human psychology is very, very, very important at this time. So really dig deep into, again, what people are feeling right now. They're not in their normal state of mind. They're not in their normal pattern buying behavior, whether it be on Google or Instagram or Facebook. So really, really use this time to tap into that and study that. And also, since we're having a little bit of a setback in general, use the time to invest in yourself. There's not much of a time an entrepreneur and online business owner gets to kind of take a step back for a good reason, invest in themselves, and then kind of, take 10 steps forward. At the end of the day, in a few months, hopefully, everything will start running normally. So use this time to see where your weaknesses are, where your pain points are. Study copywriting, study, how to research and target influencers, study pricing strategy, study or, make use of this time to optimize your store a little bit better. Okay, so really invest in your guys' self and make use of your time and energy as efficiently as possible before everyone goes full force. Okay, so again, really take this opportunity and really think this as a business owner or a marketer standpoint or perspective and kind of put that into action as well. And one more kind of thing, I see that Facebook and Instagram, especially because that's where I use for my main bread and butter of marketing or advertising, are almost half of its cost because a lot of advertisers are using the platform anymore. I see CPMs as low as like $6 or $7 on one of my stores, I'm running right now, or even some of my clients that I'm helping one-on-one. So, that's the other thing. If you're going to do it the right way. Just don't go out and selling a bunch of bullshit. Excuse my French. Really focus on these three niches that I said because it just makes the most logical sense. Okay, so really, really think about that. And again, invest in your guys' selves. And of course, guys, stay safe, stay sanitary. If you guys do have any questions, any comments, any concerns, please do drop them in the comments below. Again, I just wanted to make this video from the bottom of my heart, very heart to heart, very one-on-one with you guys. That's why it's so raw and stuff like that. That's why I'm not on my computer showcasing you guys and kind of what I'm doing or anything kind of step by step. Okay, so again, just kind of wanted to get a few pointers across. I am running one of my stores right now personally. It is in the outdoors niche or niche. It's still kind of running. I did have to scale down over the past week or two. But it is what it is, right? I'm myself looking to start a few, one product stores over the next 1 or 2 weeks as well in one of these niches. Okay, so again, really take this time to your advantage. Again, stay safe, and yeah, guys, I will see you guys soon. Thank you. Peace.